How cool. Thanks, Steve. Okay, today we're gonna do a little unboxing on the Gamma Plus hitters, the absolute hitters. A lot of people are telling me these are great, so we're just gonna get into it. It's a really nice quality box, man. They got a little magnet here, so you can tell it's gonna be good. What do we get? Boom. All that stuff we show. All the stuff we seen at the show. We can have them any color we want. I mean, seriously, what other trimmer company is going to give you 3 different shells just for style, just for a little extra swag? So you get your little guards here, and where's the unit? Oh, it's hiding in the silver trim. Okay, so it's right here. Now, you get your charger, and it looks like you could use it as a pass-through right here, or you can put it on your stand. So it fits right on your stand when you do it right. Bam. Just like that. So here we have the different shells. I mean, I'm kind of feeling the rose gold a little bit, but we also have the regular gold, and obviously it's coming with the chrome. Now, also, if you look right here, this is kind of cool. It charges with a USB port. So a micro USB, you can charge it here also. So it looks like you could plug it in with the pass-through, and you have a double two ways to charge it. It looks like. Now, I'm sure I'm probably supposed to charge these for a little while, but I mean, who's gonna read the directions? Got a nice black blade on there. It looks like it hits pretty good. Sounds good. Looks good. It could be completely dead for all I know. So obviously we're gonna have to take these apart and set them up and zero gap them, because what would be the point of doing that? I take everything apart the second I get it. But what are you guys thinking? You guys think I should go with the rose gold? Because I kind of do. I kind of like it. Okay, so that's how it comes off. So it looks like you got to take off this shell in order to change. So we definitely want to make this change, because I think that'd be kind of cool. Okay, so we got 3 bolts. So let's take them off, and I'm also going to take the blade off too. So I might as well just start somewhere. Okay, you got your button here. You know, you can set that right in there in the shell that you're going to actually use. I'm actually going to use this one, so I'll set it in this one. Bam. All right, did you get that? Yeah. All right, we got the blade off, so let's set the unit aside, and it looks like it just zero gaps like any other clipper would. So let's just gap it up. And a lot of people ask if these things hit right out of the box. They actually did hit pretty good right out of the box, but I like to mess with everything. But I'll tell you one thing, the guy at the booth, bam. All right, did you get that? Yeah. All right, we got the blade off, so let's set the unit aside, and it looks like it just zero gaps like any other clipper would. So let's just gap it up. And a lot of people ask if these things hit right out of the box. They actually did hit pretty good right out of the box, but I like to mess with everything. But I'll tell you one thing, the guy at the booth, if you notice how thin this cutting blade is, it's kind of almost the same idea that we got from the caliber clippers with the 50 cal. How I'm always talking about how thin that upper blade is. You can kind of see it in here. It's really a very thin blade, and you can tell that it's going to cut really close. It looks like it's zero gapping pretty good, just like any other clipper would. I'm pretty happy with that. If it can stay where it is, we'll just begin tightening each side back up again. I'll tell you one thing, the owner of this company took a lot of care. Everybody who bought one while I was there, he took the time to set it up, give them the color they want, zero gap them, and make sure that they were really hitting well, so that when they get back to the shop, they could be happy and go straight to work. So it was pretty cool of them to take the time to do that. I've never really seen a company actually do that before, where they take the time like that. All right, let's put this thing back together. So I guess I'll start with this blade. You can pretty much tell right where it hooks in. I can kind of see that I got a hook here and a hook here. Make sure those things are seated good. And we'll pop this thing back into place. I'll tell you what, the first time you guys take these things apart, might be a little tough to get that shell off, and it might be a little tough to get that blade off. Like, this thing really seats on there pretty good. Gapped, ready to go. So all I really got left is to make sure I put these buttons back on the right way and snap this case back in. Okay, I'm gonna charge these things up, and in the next video I'm gonna get to using them. So that's how you zero gap them, that's how you skeleton them, even though they've pretty much already made it so you could just do that. And once you got that skeleton piece off, you can't put it back on without taking that body back apart. But I'm really excited to use these, so yeah, check it out in the next few videos, or check me out on the IG at Naples Uptown Barbershop. You're gonna see me using these an awful lot in the future. And so that you could hear it from the company themselves, I'm gonna play this little clip from the 2019 premiere show. Yo, check it out, I'm over here with Austin. They got the hitters over here. We're gonna be showing this on the channel right here. They already come skeletoned out. Looks a lot like the wall T-blade on there. These are gonna be fun to work with. He's been so gracious as to give me one, and we're gonna check that out.
But do they hit, bro?
They hit, bro. They really hit.
So it comes all three colors. Comes in chrome, gold, rose gold. And then if you want the skeleton, you got the drop top.
Ooh.
Just drops right out, skeleton right at home.
That's
on top
so
of
cool.
that, let me see this guy.
They're thinking through what we like. You know what I mean? They're thinking about it. That's what I'm talking about.
Like
that's innovation right there. It's pretty cool.
So it comes in the stand, right? But on the back is the mini USB. So charge your vape and charge your trimmer with the same charger.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You know I be vaping on the channel.
And on top of that, of course, it's zero gaps. The blade is diamond coated, diamond carbon DLC blade, extra sharp, stays cooler. 4-hour cordless runtime. Not one, not two, not three. 4-hour cordless runtime. And most importantly, it hits, it hits, it hits.
No doubt, bro. That's real cool,
It's
man.
good.
That's real cool. All right, buddy. Well, look, I want to thank you, Austin.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate it. I appreciate you checking that out.
I guess the question is, can I get them to cut a little bit closer?
Can you zero gap it?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Check out my channel if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a little thumbs up if this video helped you in some way. And a big shout out to the Gamma company that was nice enough to bless me with one of these at the premiere show in Orlando in 2019. I'll see you guys in another video. I'm out of here.